In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok messages not working or not sending. It's a very simple tutorial. There's 3 or 4 things you can do. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like, because each like helps me out a lot. Do it right now. Okay, so the first thing you can do is go on TikTok, and if you when you click on inbox and you click on the DMs, the direct messages here, if you can send a message to someone, the first thing that can happen is that person isn't accepting messages. He can have an option like this of from people that are not following him, and he's not following them back. The second thing that you should do is go on me, click the 3 dots, go down below and clear cache right here. The third thing is going on the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in TikTok and make sure you have the latest version of TikTok updated. So if you don't have an update option, you're all good like me. The third thing or fourth thing that you should do is go on your settings, and on an iPhone you would go on general, but it's on an Android device it's similar. You click on iPhone storage or apps on Android, and you want to find TikTok. When you find it, you just click on it, and you want to click offload app. Here it is, offload app, and this should basically fix the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, comment any questions you have down below. I'll try to help you out. See you soon. Bye.